What's up, guys? It's Chris.
What's up, guys? It's Chris. You're watching Plumbing Explained. This is Unclogged, episode 16. So I got called out to this call. It was an upstairs clogged toilet. The customer said he had a leak in the ceiling after the clog, and of course it was because he over plunged the toilet and blew out the wax seal. So my advice is, if you can't get it cleared with a quick plunge, do not keep plunging. If you've got a toilet auger, try toilet augering. 6-foot toilet auger should typically clear most toilet clogs. Most toilets are sitting on a 4-inch drain line, so it's really hard to clog them up, especially on a second story. But if it is clogged and you can't get it with the plunger, like a quick plunge, or the auger, you're definitely going to need to pull that toilet and snake it. Now keep an eye on the water level in the flange. It's pretty much cresting, ready to overflow. And with very little effort here, we're going to push right through that clog and watch the water level drop. Right now, here it goes. There it goes. Water's dropping. I'm just pushing here at this point. Very easy to clear these clogs with the flex shaft. Any second story toilet clog is super easy for the flex shaft. We're talking in and out with like 30 minutes, not including setting the toilet, and sometimes even including setting the toilet. Like, this video is real time. It took me 5 minutes to unclog this drain, maybe another 15 minutes to set the toilet and check for leaks. The flex shafts really are a game changer. They've totally changed the game for me when it comes to unclogging and cleaning drains. I just absolutely love them. Especially the Ridgid, the K9 204 is my favorite machine on my truck. I'll be rebuying the K9 102 also, probably very soon. And I need a better camera to pair my flex shafts with. As soon as the company grows a little more, we're going to get into the Picote equipment, which is definitely the step up from the Ridgid. But the Picote stuff's a little bit expensive right now for us, so we're going to stick with the Ridgid K9 series. So now I'm pulling this back, and I always pull back with some disinfectant wipes, and there you go. There's the culprit there.
It was a
tampon.
I told her!
My customer's reaction was classic. I figured I'd leave that in there for you guys.
If I had a nickel for every time I heard that.
This call came in when I was on my way home. It was like 6 p.m., maybe even 7. I didn't even want to go, but I'm glad I went because this guy was super chill. He was fun to joke around with and made the job a lot more fun.
I pulled a extra large Magnum out of the toilet right down the street a couple days ago. And the husband goes, "Well, that's not mine."
And I mean, this just wouldn't be a Plumbing Explained video without a little bit of underwear shot in there, right, guys? Let's get the channel an underwear sponsor. I think we deserve it at this point. Maybe a little Fruit of the Loom, MeUndies, Joe Boxer. I don't know. Somebody hit us up. We're looking for some sponsors. All right, so that's about it for this video, guys. The line is clear. Now I'm just scraping up all the old caulking, any of the old grout or wax, anything that could be there on the floor to make it look nasty or not sit level when I reseat the toilet. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So I hope you guys all appreciated the video. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure that you like the video. Make sure you're subscribed. You have the bell on for any future notifications because we're going to be going hard this month. Month of June is a new video every single day, guys.
Drain being a pain, the brown won't go down. Time to deploy Uncle Elroy. He's got the longest snake around. Need to clear your pipes without any gripes. Oh, Uncle Elroy's the guy for the job. He's getting shit done without being a slob. So give the man a like and go and hit subscribe. It's gonna save you money, save you time. He'll teach you how to plumb. He won't charge a dime.